How to create wallet on Binance. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can create wallet on Binance. Firstly, open App Store or Google Play Store on your device and search for Binance. If you haven't already, then install the application or else look for updates that may be available. If there are updates available, update it or else open the app on your device. In Binance, make sure you are logged in to your account. After opening, you will land to a page like this. On this page, at the top left corner, you will see the Binance logo. Click on the Binance logo and now your profile will open. Here you will see different options like this. From these, select the first one, Web3 Wallet. Now to access this feature, you must verify your identity. Once you verify your identity, then this kind of page will open. You can select your security verification. It could be either an authenticator app or your email. After that, you can simply click on Create Wallet and follow the on-screen prompt to create your wallet. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.